Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your Google Sheets, and after that you could just simply go ahead and select data over here at the top, and now you should be able to see here this drop down over here, and just simply select data validation. So just simply click on it, and now just simply select add rule over here on the top right corner of the screen, and just simply apply the range. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one, and after that just simply click on OK. And once you have provided the range that you prefer, I'm gonna go click the criteria over here, and I'm gonna go for is validate. And after that you can just simply go ahead and select done. And now from here, when I click on it, as you can see, a date will show up when I double click. And that's simply about it. As you can see, this will apply to all the rows or category that we just added the rule to. And when we go to the other row, as you can see, it is not getting the date. And when we go on a specific row, and there we go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.